again, Elizabeth and the Chamber, we appreciate your time on doing the ribbon cutting today.
Thanks for building homes.
Big proponent of affordable housing. It's become a little bit of a crisis to find an affordable house, like a mortgage payment, this day and age. So I can say for sure that Senator Orwell would like to see houses like this.
HUD-approved additional dwelling unit that we have to offer. What we'd really like to have help with is kind of just getting some of the restrictions loosened around additional dwelling units in Thurston County. Right now, they don't see a manufactured home unless it's at least 24 wide by 36 feet, and that kind of creates a restriction on potential buyers when they're faced with such a short budget. And nothing gives us more satisfaction than finally being able to help somebody get into homeownership for the first time and seeing that relief on their face once we get to the closing. So that's what we would need help with.
We're just really pleased to, represent the housing industry, and I think this home in particular and the one next door are good examples of a path for Washingtonians to really achieve sustainable and attainable housing.
I believe the reason that we're here at the Homes on the Hill is to give a much better exposure to our industry. The two homes that we have here are quite different. One is built to the RV codes, it's a park model, and then the other one is a HUD-code home, which they're two different codes, but they will actually do the same thing. You can use them as a regular home to live in or an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit.
Homes on the Hill is a great event because it really puts a spotlight on getting affordable homes in the right people's hands. From basically realizing the dream of home ownership for a lot of the people that need that in this area. We have a lot of people who are renting that have this dream of home ownership, and I believe that our homes at Clayton Homes are, really the answer for a lot of the people, from 450 square foot ADUs all the way up to our largest home in a triple wide.
We're here to exploit everything we do, affordable housing, green building, support the dealers in every aspect that we can. Home ownership is the American dream, and that's what we want to be able to get across.
I think that Homes on the Hill is a great space to really highlight ADUs, manufactured homes, and let people see them in a real space, in a real setting, to walk through them, experience what a manufactured home or an ADU, a park model home looks like, not only from the outside, but in the inside, and see how beautiful these homes really are.
So right now in the state of Washington, we have lots of options for manufactured homes. From a small starter home like this, that's a little 1 bedroom, 1 bath, that can get somebody in on the ground level. But part of what we need is more legislation to allow us to better use the parcels of land that are available, and kind of do away with some of the zoning that prohibits the use of manufactured homes.
Yeah, so this is my second year participating in this event, and it's still in its infancy, but this is a really crucial opportunity for our industry and the association to really showcase that manufactured housing is a real solution for Washington State's affordability, housing affordability crisis rather. So I just couldn't be more pleased to represent the industry, and I am very encouraged by the number of representatives and senators that we saw today, and look forward to continuing to see it grow.
So I certainly promote any housing that is more affordable. Right now, the regulation and the cost to build is extremely high in Washington State. So I think manufacturing housing is an amazing option. I know my grandparents lived in a manufacturing housing community in their golden years, and I'm actually supporting a capital budget project of manufactured homes in my area that I'm hoping to see get funded in the capital budget this year. It just provides additional housing that lower income that can afford, and everybody deserves a home, and this makes it more affordable. I want to keep my kids in my district at home, and this is a great first step in owning your first home.
It really is a phenomenal option for people. Also, my brothers and I have a little development near Kettle Falls. We put in 2 brand new double wides on that so far, and it's great to be able to get the modern modular homes are fantastic, high quality, good energy efficiency, and we've been able to sell those nice homes for an affordable price, and it really helps people out.
I think manufactured housing creates an option and an opportunity again for people to get into a housing situation that may not be attainable with a custom built home, for example. And I think that we need to explore all options, and manufactured housing certainly provides an opportunity for people that may not be able to afford other housing. So I'm very supportive of the manufactured housing as an option.
I think the Washington Manufactured Housing Association brings a really unique voice to the attainable and affordable housing conversation. A lot of these models can be much more affordable than some site build or other forms of housing. So bring a really unique perspective to the conversation, and want to make sure stakeholders and legislators and others know that this is a real way to attain housing in the state.